Hello everyone, I am Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about point comment. So let's start. To choose point comment, go to draw toolbar and here choose point. You can see here is 4 options available: single point, multi-point, divide, measure. Let's go with single point. Choose single point. You can specify the point using coordinates, otherwise you can just use a mouse click to specify the point location. Here you can see the point is available here, but it is really hard to find it. So let's change the point type. To change the point type, type DDP type and then press enter. Here you can see a number of point style is available. Choose any one of them. Let's choose this one and click on OK. Here you can see the point style is changed. Now let's draw the point again. Choose single point and here click on the location you want to have a point. Here you can see. Now let's go with multi-point. Here you can create a number of points just by a mouse click. Now let's go with divide. Go to draw toolbar, go to point and choose divide. Select the object you want to divide and select the number of segments you want. Say 3 number of segments. Press 3 and then press enter. Here you can see the object is divided into 3 parts and the points are created automatically. Let's see it again. Repeat divide. Select the object. Enter the number of segments, say 6. Press 6 and then press enter. Here you can see this line is divided into 6 equal parts. Let's check the dimension. Here you can see all the segments are 2.33. So I think it's clear to you. Now let's talk about measure. Go to draw toolbar, choose point and choose measure. Using this one you can create points at some specific distances. Say you want a point after every 2 units on this line. So first choose measure, then choose the line on which you want points. Now specify the distances, say 2 units. Press 2 and then press enter. Here you can see the points are created after every 2 unit distances. Go to dimension, check the dimension. Here you can see all the segments are 2 units. So that's all about point comment. If you have any query, then let me know in comments. If you like my video, press the thumb button and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for another updates. Thank you.